Alessandra here from Paper Art Alessandra, and this is my spring. It's a kind of a floral garden journal, and almost all the images are from the Graphics Fairy premium site, and it's a lovely journal. So for the cover I used an antique French book, and I created a new spine, and for closure I'm using a sari silk ribbon, and the image, it's lovely. It's this lady with this little girl, and it's green with some gold details, and in the back is the same image. And here it's a beautiful vintage lace, and inside there is this beautiful wallpaper. Image is from the Graphics Fairy, and the back cover and the front cover, the inside, I used this beautiful vintage wallpaper that I printed. It's from the Graphics Fairy premium site. So I added here some vintage lace, and here it's a little pocket that I made, and this is the journaling card and a piece of a vintage wallpaper. Here it's vintage lace and this little charm, and here it's a piece of vintage drawing paper that I had, and this is a card that I created. I printed this image and I made it look like vintage. I distressed it. So inside the second page there is this journaling card with this image. It's a greenhouse and it's a journaling card. I love this image, so pretty. This is original piece of writing, and this is original French document. There's a piece of fabric here, and this is a flip. I printed this pretty image and I created a flip, and inside here it's a vintage wallpaper, and this rose image I painted with watercolor, and here it's a lace pocket, and this is a antique postcard. It's original French postcard, beautiful writing. And here it's a tiny charm. It's like a lace little bow, not a lace, a little ribbon. And here I printed a butterfly from the site, and I added a glue dot in the back so you can remove it and you can write it in the back. And this is a pocket, and this is a journaling card from one of the images, so pretty. And this is another beautiful image, and very colorful, so I made a journaling card. This is another pretty image. I don't know if you can see, it's beautiful, the colors. Here it's a black and white page, and with butterflies. I added some ruffles. So here it's a pocket, a little bag, glassine bag, and I added these pressed flowers, and here it's you can open and close, and here it's a tuck spot. And on this side I created this floating journaling card, and this is another pretty wallpaper image with some fabric. And here it's original French paper. So here it's another pocket, and this card, it's a piece from a Victorian scrapbook that I purchased years ago, and it's original one. You can see the glue here in the back, and you can open here. There is a tuck spot behind this flower, and here it's a fabric pocket, and here it's a little tuck spot with this butterfly, and here it's another card from the Victorian scrapbook, and it's also antique, and you can see the glue in the back. And you can open this page, and there is another pressed flower. It's a real pressed flower with vintage tape. And here I created this image. I created this card with the image of a bird, and I made it smaller to create this little journaling card. And also I'm adding this bird, and you can glue here or here or anywhere. And this beautiful page, I didn't want to decorate with anything, just this piece of wallpaper. This is a charm. And here I created another flip, so you can write here in the back, and there is this original French ephemera. It's a little card, and here it's another pressed flower that I printed this frame from the Graphics Fairy, and I glued this pressed flowers, and I created this flip. On this side there is this beautiful image, and I added some seeds on the top so it smells good, this page. And I think this is so beautiful, so I printed this page black and white. And here it's a little journaling card, and I added some vintage lace. And on this page it's a pocket here, and you can open, and there is, you can write here, and there is a map, an image from a garden, and you can also write here. And I made a tuck spot, and this is original postcard, very beautiful. And this is original French document. Here it's another piece of original wallpaper, and this is a little bees image that I created a card, and this pretty rose image, and a piece of lace. Here is, this is original French ephemera, and this is a little journaling card from one of the images from the Graphics Fairy, and I created like a little card. This is a beautiful book page and another tuck spot. And here it's another flip, and there is this pocket with texture, and I left this card blank so you can write here or add a photograph or some flowers, and you can write here. This is a pressed flower, and this is original stamp. And here is, I created this little pocket, and this, I painted those roses, and I also painted this vintage music paper, and this is from garden book that I had, and it's very pretty, this image. Here it's the back, and this is a original postcard, and there's some textures here. It's very, very pretty. And this blue, it's from one of the wallpapers from the site, and I changed the color, so it's this pretty blue. It was pretty before, but I wanted this shade of blue, so I created in Photoshop. And this is this beautiful girl, also from the premium site, and I printed and I added some little sari silk, a little piece of sari silk. And this is another fabric pocket, and this is a antique book page. More of the vintage lace, and this another piece of the vintage wallpaper image, also from the Graphics Fairy premium site. So this is a lovely journal. It's small, but it's very pretty. Lovely journal. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Thank you.